yoga friends. Before we begin today's magical yoga for Christmas session, don't forget to tap the like button and hit subscribe so you can join us for more fun holiday yoga adventures. Let's start! Cat paws off your back. Say meow like a black cat. Good job! Cow pose. Drop your belly. Look up at Santa Claus. Excellent! Goddess pose. Spread your arms and legs. Be a big Christmas tree. Well done! Triangle pose. Lean to the side like a snowy roof. Now switch sides. You're doing great! Eagle pose. Twist your arms and legs like a gift ribbon. Amazing! Dancer pose. Stand on one leg. Fly like a reindeer. Now switch sides. Keep it up. Snake pose. Cobra. Slither up to warm up by the fireplace. Very impressive. Head to knee pose, bend forward. Close the secret gift box. Now switch sides. Almost there. Spinal column pose twist left and right to find presents. So relaxing. Reclining. Hero pose. Lean back and rest after delivering gifts.